Hello everybody, how you doing? As you can see, I ran my Pennsylvania sharknose off the track and it broke into pieces. So I need to test it out and see if it works. So let's get to it. I have my power supply here. Turn the power on. There we go. See if it's gonna run. Okay, it runs, but it will not move because both drive shafts have come out. So let's reinstall those and see what we get. Well, alright, I just undid the strap off the motor. Should allow me to move it enough to get that installed in there. Let's see what we end up with. There we go, and it's in. So now all I need to do is repeat on this side and we'll be good to go. Okay, I got the other one in. Reinstall the strap. Motor's in place. Alright, let's see if it's gonna work now. Fingers crossed, right? Yep. It's a-working. Let's see, where's it wanting to pick up the best at? Right there. Well, good, it's working. Let's reinstall this weight and wiring and get that straightened up, and we'll have to put it on the track and run it a little bit. Alright, we got the wiring all reinstalled and the weight installed, and gave it a quick little tune-up while it was open. Alright, I gave the undercarriage a little bit of a cleaning and lubrication. So let's see what we end up with. Alright, running no problem. Let's go put it on the track and see how it performs. Well, alright, I got it on the track. Well, let's see how it does. Well, alright, there you go. I think it seems to be working pretty good. Hope you enjoyed.